In this video, I'll show you how to change a wallpaper on a MacBook. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. On your MacBook, you're going to click on the Apple icon on the left corner of your screen. Then you're going to click on System Settings. If you have the latest software update, this is what you're going to see. You're going to scroll down and then you're going to click on Wallpaper. Now, Apple is going to give you a lot of different options for your wallpaper. You're going to have dynamic wallpapers, so these are the ones that move around. If you scroll down, you're going to see landscapes. They have more than 60 of them that you can choose from. Cityscapes, underwater. So if you want to change it to one of these options, just go ahead and click on it. And as you can see, my wallpaper automatically changed. As you can see right here at the bottom, it's also going to show you the option of just adding simple colors. And if you like that plain look, this is going to be perfect for you. Now, of course, you have the option to upload your own wallpaper. And to do that, just simply click on Add a Photo. And you can either choose one from your own photos on your computer or from your files by clicking on Choose. And once you have selected the wallpaper that you like, you will see it reflected on your screen. And that's it. Hope that helps.